In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a gradient background here in Canva. Now, if we open a new tab, what we want to do is come up to here in the left-hand corner where we see the color icon. If we click on there, we can then scroll down and choose all of these different gradients just here. Now we can choose whichever one that we want. Let's go with this blue. Then, if you actually want to change this to any colours that you want, you can also click on this little plus icon just here, then choose gradient. Now it's normally on solid colour like this, but again, if you click on gradient, we now have a few different styles to choose from. We can choose between linear gradient, with that being this one, that one, this one as well. Then there's circular gradient as well, which is this one, and also another circular gradient. Now let's go with this one just here. If we want to play around with the colours on this, we can simply click on the gradient colours above that. Then we can choose whichever colour that we want from this colour palette. We can also put in the hex code just here as well. Or if you want to add more colours to this, we can click on the little plus icon. It's going to add a new colour. Then we can choose whichever one that we want. If we want to delete one of these, we can hover over it and click on the little cross. Now let's go ahead and choose some different colours. Let's go with a red. Let's do this one as well. Let's move that all the way along. And then let's make that one darker. So as you can see, it's really simple to create gradient backgrounds here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.